Installing Honeycomb Blinds bottom-up reveal fit. In this video, we will explain the Honeycomb Blind reveal fit installation process step by step. Start by opening the box. Carefully cut the tape along the edge of the box to avoid damaging the blinds. Once you have all the parts and your tools ready, it's time to get started. Measure 7.5 centimetres inwards from the left corner inside the reveal and mark this point. Repeat this step for the right corner. Install the brackets using the provided screws. If additional brackets are supplied, distribute the rest of the brackets evenly in between the outer brackets. Now, simply hook the front edge of the headrail into the projecting part of the brackets, pushing it backwards and upwards with a slight rotating movement. When you hear a click, you know it's securely attached. If your blinds are cord operated, install the cord cleats or guide. Ensure they are installed clear of the blind to avoid obstruction. For child safety, place the cord holders at least 1.6 metres above the ground. And you're done! Your beautiful blind is ready for use.